Hello, welcome back here to another video of GSK POS. And in this video, we're going to talk about customer management and supplier management. We see how to add customers. So let's start from the menu. We are going to go to customers, and we are going to see this add new customer form with the customer name, contact, email, location, and then the current customer balance. Let's assume we have a customer called uh, Samju Maike, and this is the contact for Samju Maike. You know the email, you can always input the email for the customer if at all it is available, and then this customer location says the customer is in Nigeria, and then the balance brought forward. This balance can be a positive or a negative. If a customer owes you, then it is going to be a negative, but if you owe the customer, then it is going to be a positive. So let's assume the customer owes us 200. So I will add this customer with the 200. As you can see, the same mic is added successfully. Let's assume we have another customer called Kayosaka, and the customer phone is this. I don't have the email, and then this lives in maybe London, and the balance brought forward can be a positive or a negative. Remember, now let's assume the customer has a positive balance. So you just say the customer, we owe the customer some 20, and you add the customer there. So as you can see, the 20 is going to go in the payable section since it is for the customer, not for you. Now you can also add a customer with zero balance. Assume it is just a new customer, and maybe our customer is positioned to Dell, and we know the contact as this. Uh, and then this customer, let's say, lives in Masaka. If we don't have any balances, I'm just going to add the customer. So you can look at Dell, and the balance is zero. Now, as you can see that we have some three buttons here on the side. We have this button, this, and this one. So these buttons, the first one is for viewing the transactions. Let's assume I wanted to go to Geoffrey Selfu and have a look at all the transactions and the statement. So I'll click that button, and it is going to load the transactions on the Geoffrey account. So as you can see here under account statement, I can see what has been happening. That we sold goods to Geoffrey of this amount, and they paid this amount. So the overall balance is this. And we can always also use this form above to make deposits to customer account. Assume the customer has cleared the balance, or has deposited some 500 on the balance. You can always input it from there. Select the payment method, input a few remarks if they are available, and then select the date of the payment and record the deposit. So as you can see from there, we can see another transaction that has been made on the customer statement or the customer account. So on this date, this reference number, we got a payment from the customer, and the payment was 500, and then the new running balance for our customer is this. So that's the basics. Those are the basics of customer management. I always use the print button here to print out uh, uh, the customer statement if you wanted. So same with the suppliers. If you got suppliers, you can still use the transactions button to view what has happened with the supplier, what they have supplied over time, and the running balances. So that's the quick overview. Thank you for watching.